ahead. You have some questions?
So my thought is like when you're making a purchase about performance of a sax,
Yeah.
like what are the top 5 things that you're looking for?
Okay, so one thing I'm looking for evenness of scale, so I'm going to try that. Let's try an F major scale. Now I want to see if I go up into the palm keys. Sounds very even to me. Sometimes I'm trying to get the low notes, make sure they're clear, although, you know, sometimes it needs a little tweaking. So this horn is a little harder for me to get the low notes out on. This partly seems like the quality, but it calls it the quality of not the quality good or bad, but the particular sound. So you asked me 5 things.
That's right.
There's intonation. There's also whether it's responsive as a jazz player. Playing jazz is sort of like having a sports car. When you want to push down on the gas pedal, is it going to like move into another gear? So I might be playing like this. Here I'm bringing certain notes out. Okay, so then this horn doesn't do that as well for me as this one, the brass one, where when I push it, it kind of gives me that gas pedal effect. However, if I was playing in a band situation, all that thick body might get covered up by the keyboards and the other situations. So these kind of 2 different qualities, both of which are valuable. So I didn't tell you 5 yet. Did you have more questions?
That's okay. Well, let me give you another one though.
Yeah.
So as you're looking at these saxophones from Taiwan, are the pitches pretty accurate?
Oh yeah, they feel great. And I've played some, yeah, they feel great. They feel good in my hands. And the pitches I felt very comfortable about that.
And so like, how if you were recommending a saxophone to someone else, because obviously you've done this a while, like where else, like what, have you seen saxophones from Taiwan before?
I play professionally saxophones from Taiwan. I'm not, so yeah, I think that it depends. I think that there's so much precision now is what I've noticed. Intonation is good, they feel good. You know, you want something that's going to stay in adjustment, but the Taiwanese, there's lots of excellent stuff coming out of there. Vibrato just... Notice that vibrato is just consistent. Notice that I want a sound that's consistent, but jazz vibrato, I might go... That's a whole different ball of that technique. Or Johnny Hodges. And you want it to hold together as you do. I don't know this horn that well yet, so I have to figure it out. And I'm sort of figuring out as I go. But that thing of where I can also make a note bloom, that's another thing I look for. Can I make a note bloom? And I mean this. Yeah, that note kind of goes wah. So in the context of soloing, I might go. Sorry, that note's a low. You hear how those notes are kind of having, and it has more of a speech-like quality. More of like if you're saying, huh? Or what is happening? Things like that. And those are in the sound.
That's perfect.
So,
Yeah, good?
Yep.
Yeah.
Done. Perfect. Thank you.
Like 10 minutes.
Yeah.